Hi superstars! Thank you for joining me in this video. In this course, we'll be talking about why your packaged palm oil is not selling out very fast. Okay, so if you have a packaged palm oil in a supermarket, mall, shop, and it's sitting on the shelf without being sold like other brands of palm oil, or you have a packaged palm oil and it's not sold as fast as other palm oil brands, and you're wondering what's happening, why is it not selling? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be telling you why that packaged palm oil is not selling out as fast as it should, and we'll be giving you solutions to fix that problem. All right, my superstar. Branding plays a very important role in the sales of every product, including palm oil. Your product must look very attractive and aesthetically pleasing to be able to draw customers to it. So you have to pay great attention to graphics. I know how many products I have bought because the pack was beautiful. The pack, the colors, the display, and everything attracted me to the product. And from there, I bought it. So, my superstars, you have to pay extra attention to the branding of your palm oil. Make sure it communicates the product to its users. Okay, so after your graphics and your package has been able to attract customers to your product, the next thing is that the package and the label must carry very vital informations that will cause the customer to go a step ahead and buy the product. It must not just be a big, flashy, beautiful package, or else people will not buy it. Personally, before I buy any product, I tend to go through the pack, read the information on the packet, I read the nutritional content and everything. It has to be very professional and concise, as if it's a good product. Any product that looks big will look as if it was packaged in someone's house, and people won't have the confidence to buy the product. Let your product be professional. Let it carry genuinity, that such that when people look at it, they will say, hey, this is real, this is good, and take a step ahead and buy it. Okay, so after people actually buy your product for the first time and take it home, what makes a customer come back for that particular product is the quality of your product. If you do not pay attention to the quality of your product, you will lose customers. You have to make your product such that it meets the standard. It should be what your customer paid for, not a case of what I paid for versus what I got. It should be that what they paid for is what they actually get. This will encourage them to come back for more and even refer their friends and family to your product. So, my superstars, please don't play with quality. Let it not just be about the flashiness, beautiness of the pack. It could attract them the first time and actually get them to buy, but it won't bring them back a second time. Okay, my superstars. Okay, so the next thing that will make your product sell out very fast is the ability of your package to be displayed, to be stacked and distributed. So many products are not sold because they could not be displayed, as such customers could not see it. They had to be laid on the counter, and only few people who walked closely and looked could see it. So your product must be such that it can be stacked, it can be displayed effectively for customers to see and then buy it. Okay, so the next thing is that your product must have a temper proof and seal. I know so many people, there are so many products I see and I'll be like, this one is like someone has used it already, or this one I think it's done locally or somewhere, and I won't like buy the product. You should make your product in such a way that it has a temper proof and pilferage proof, so that people can have confidence in your brand and be sure that they are paying for what they need, what they are actually buying. Okay, my superstars. So take extra care and measures to ensure that you put seals and tamper proofs on your product. Okay, superstars. So the next reason your product is not selling out very fast is because it is not available. You may have succeeded in building a customer base and having lots of customers and growing customers, but if your product is not available, you will lose the customers, because once they try another product and they happen to fall in love with that product, they will suddenly flow to that product. And by the time you bring your product to restock, you won't have customers. So you have to make sure that your product is available all year round. There shouldn't be a time anyone walks into a shop, mall, or supermarket to look for your product and it's not available. It gives your customers options and they could eventually fall in love with those options. Okay, my superstars? So what you need to do is make sure that you have so many producers, so many suppliers of palm oil that will enable you keep producing and supplying all year round. Okay, my superstars. Hope I'm not going too fast. If there's anything you have not understood so far, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, my superstars, take a second and hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. And please like and share this video. Support your girl. Thank you. Let's continue. Okay, so the next thing that is making your palm oil not sell off is because you do not pay attention to reviews. You have to pay attention to reviews. Listen to your customers, receive feedbacks, and see how you can work on those reviews. Okay, my superstars, if they complain they don't like the cover, please see how you can change the cover to make your customers happy. If they say they don't like the container, as much as you can, if it's possible, please change the customers. Try the containers, sorry about that. Try and make your customers happy as much as possible. It is said that the customer is always right, in business, okay? So please see how you can appease and make your customers fall in love with you and your brand. Okay, my superstars. If there's anything you have not understood so far in the course of this video, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, my superstars, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to share, and also turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you for always watching my videos. You are the best. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.